Okay guys, now I'm done printing Birdie's picture. Now I'm gonna post it all around the place. No, not all. Now I have to find out how to do this. See, all my sisters are here. Let's do it. I'm gonna go get one. Be right back. I get tape. Got tape. Put it right under here. Clear. All the papers there to here. So now I think this is the end of the story of my little birdie. We had him since for 1 month, and we lost him at Sunday, and we're hoping that we can find him again, but I think this is the end of the story of Birdie. I hope we find him. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe to my